back, and we back.
Yeah. Look, I'm something to bet on. Known to get it poppin' wherever, nothing to step on. Boy, I'm cracked to your headphones. Study sleeping on me, got me lock picking your locksmith. The doubters got me plotting on the plot twist. I'm back, baby. I'm warming up, cause it's hunting season. I'm about to shut shit down, cold red like a cover screener. I got them leaning back against the rope. You get wild, I get wilder. I lead with the rope of dope. Give him a chair, enough lead, just use the rope to choke. Reggie Miller to Spike Lee, so you know he joke. Study going up on these niggas, so I know he broke. Elmer Fudd to Bad Bunny's known as a fucking goat. You run with the monsters, I run with the monsters. You niggas imposters, get cracked like a lobster. Got dripped like a roster, living like Max off shotters. Respect come proper, still popping my shit in due time, I'm about to overflow. Pent up my aggression for this moment, I've been taking notes. I hear him talking, the rats squilling, niggas telling, selling out for top raiment. I let my bread do the talking, motherfucker, don't bother me. I'm smooth as an ivory, blame that shit on my father's genes. A victim of poverty, cold cuts with the government cheese. When Christmas came, nothing under the tree, and now I ball and it's on me. Still shooting shots in the trash can, yelling Kobe. Still got my foot on they neck, just like the old me. If you bout it, nigga, show me. Rule one, never let a nigga owe me. If you got it, I need it, nigga. Don't be trying duck when you see a nigga. I'm just warming up, bring a heater with you, get it? I'm a fool with it, number two with it. I'm the shit, not second, I know what to do with it. One.